Solar energy is the most abundant renewable energy around. Welcome to Prime Radiant Energy Solutions Limited, your trusted partner in sustainable energy solutions. At Prime Radiant Energy Solutions Limited, we offer a wide range of solar energy solutions tailored to meet your specific needs, be it residential rooftop installations or large-scale commercial projects. We bring you the power of the sun with our team of experienced technicians dedicated to delivering high-quality installations. We take pride in our attention to detail and commitment to customer satisfaction.
Let us be your partner in greener, cleaner, and more sustainable energy. We will help you say goodbye to soaring electricity costs. Generate your own electricity from nature. Save money on your monthly power bills. And put money back into your pocket.
If you are tired of rising energy costs, or you are tired of generator problems and expensive fuel, or you want constant electricity for your home and businesses, contact us today at Prime Radiant Energy Solutions Limited. Feel free to give us a call or send us a WhatsApp message at 08081393670, or visit our website at www.primeradiantenergy.com, or send us an email at service@primeradiantenergy.com.